Welcome to the top best. The best Comprar Devolutions is probably one of the most sought-after items for savvy shoppers looking to snag incredible deals on return merchandise, and in this video, we're diving deep into what makes these liquidation palettes so appealing, exploring the potential treasures and pitfalls that await those brave enough to venture into the world of returned goods. So whether you're a seasoned reseller or a curious newcomer, stick around as we uncover the secrets to maximizing your profits and minimizing your risks when buying return products. Number 5. EOVOLA Accessories Kit for Nintendo Switch. Keep your Nintendo Switch safe and portable with our durable carrying case. It's easy to clean and designed for your convenience. Never run out of power for your controllers. This charging dock can power up to 4 Joy-Con controllers at the same time. Elevate your gameplay with our wheel and grip accessories. They provide a more enjoyable and protective experience for your Joy-Cons. Enjoy ergonomic comfort and full protection with our soft silicone controller cases and caps. They are designed for a better feel during long gaming sessions. Our protective case and screen protector offer complete defense against daily wear and tear. Shield your device from bumps, scratches, dust, and fingerprints. Keep your games tidy with the included game card case. It conveniently stores up to 24 game cards and SD cards, so your favorites are always ready. What we like. This comprehensive accessory kit offers everything you need to enhance your Nintendo Switch experience. It provides robust protection for your console and controllers, along with convenient charging solutions. If you're looking for a complete package to safeguard and optimize your gaming setup, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The product is very easy to use and set up. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my home decor. It has a variety of features that are useful for everyday tasks. Number 4. 366 Men's Dry Fit Polo Shirt. Introducing our new Dry Fit Polo Shirt, designed for ultimate comfort. Its advanced fabric wicks away moisture, keeping you cool and dry all day long. Whether you're on the golf course or out with friends, this shirt is perfect for any occasion. Its versatile design blends athletic performance with casual style. Experience a comfortable, relaxed fit with our short-sleeve polo. It's designed to move with you, providing freedom and ease throughout your day. Crafted with breathable materials, this shirt ensures excellent airflow. You'll stay fresh and comfortable, even during your most active moments. Elevate your wardrobe with this stylish collared t-shirt. It offers a clean, classic look that's easy to pair with any bottoms for a polished appearance. Invest in quality that lasts. This shirt is made to withstand regular wear and washing, maintaining its shape and performance. What we like. Experience ultimate comfort and performance on the golf course with this stylish polo shirt. Its dry fit material keeps you cool and dry, while the athletic cut ensures freedom of movement. If you're a golfer who values both performance and a sharp look, this shirt is a must-have for your active lifestyle. What people say. The product works well and has a good design. The product has a useful feature that makes it stand out. The product is well made and durable. Number 3. SUNGAIT Classic Vintage Round Polarized Sunglasses. Introducing a classic design that never goes out of style. These sunglasses offer a vintage aesthetic with modern functionality. Experience the world with enhanced clarity. The polarized lenses effectively reduce glare, providing a more comfortable visual experience. Your eyes deserve the best protection. These sunglasses feature UV 400 protection, blocking harmful UVA and UVB rays. Embrace a retro vibe with these round sunglasses. Their versatile style is perfect for both women and men, complementing any outfit. Crafted for both durability and fashion. These sunglasses are built to last while keeping you on trend. Elevate your look with this essential accessory. They are the perfect blend of retro style and practical eye protection. What we like. Protect your eyes in style with these classic round sunglasses. Featuring polarized lenses and full UV 400 protection, they offer superior clarity and defense against harmful rays. If you appreciate timeless fashion and need reliable eye protection for everyday wear or outdoor activities, these are the perfect accessory. What people say. The product is very easy to use and has a great design. The functionality of this product is outstanding, it exceeded my expectations. I love the build quality and the materials used in this product. Number 2. OnePlus Nord N200 5G Smartphone. Powered by the latest Qualcomm 5G chipset, you can download, stream, and connect at incredible speeds. Enjoy your favorite content and online games without interruption. Lose yourself in a stunning visual experience on the 6.49-inch Full HD Plus display. With a 90 Hz refresh rate, enjoy silky smooth scrolling and fluid gameplay. This device is equipped with a massive 5000 mAh battery, giving you the power to stream, game, and browse for hours on end. Stay connected without worrying about running out of charge. When you do need a boost, the 18W fast charging gets you back up and running in no time. Spend less time plugged in and more time enjoying your phone. Take stunning photos with the versatile triple camera system. Capture memories from any angle with both rear and front-facing cameras. Enjoy unlocked 5G connectivity for T-Mobile and Google Fi, with 4G compatibility across major carriers like AT&T and Verizon. Stay connected wherever you go. What we like. Stay connected and entertained all day with this smartphone's impressive battery life and smooth visual experience. The large display and fast charging capabilities ensure you're always powered up and ready to go. If you need a reliable device for daily tasks, streaming, and gaming without constant charging anxiety, this is the one for you. What people say. The product is very easy to use and has a great design. The functionality of this product is amazing, it exceeded my expectations. I love the features this product offers, it has made my life so much easier. Number 1. OnePlus 9 Astral Black 5G Smartphone. Introducing the OnePlus 9 Astral Black, a 5G unlocked Android smartphone designed for the US market. Experience seamless performance and stunning visuals with this powerful device. Capture breathtaking photos with its advanced triple camera system, co-developed with Hasselblad. It features a 48MP main camera, a 50MP ultra-wide, and a 2MP monochrome lens for professional quality shots. Powered by the cutting-edge Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 platform, this phone delivers incredibly fast and smooth performance for all your apps and multitasking needs. Never worry about battery life again. With Warp Charge 65T, you can get a day's power in just 15 minutes. It also supports convenient 15W wireless charging. Immerse yourself in a vibrant 6.55-inch Full HD display with a silky smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Scrolling, swiping, and enjoying content has never felt more effortless. Connect to the future with 5G capabilities, offering faster downloads, quicker uploads, and lower latency for an enhanced mobile experience. This model is compatible with T-Mobile 5G. Get instant help with Alexa built-in. Simply ask to play music, make calls, get news updates, or check the weather, all hands-free. What we like. Capture stunning photos and enjoy a seamless user experience with this flagship smartphone. Its advanced camera system, incredibly fast charging, and fluid display set it apart. If you're a mobile photography enthusiast or demand top-tier performance for gaming and multitasking, this device offers an unparalleled premium experience. What people say. The product works well and has a good design. The functionality of the product is excellent, and it has many useful features. The product is well built and durable, with a sleek and modern design. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.